English, and the name of the chapter is Verbs to Be. So, what are these verbs to be? Let's read and identify quickly. So, first of all, we have been given a definition which says the words that describe about something or some person to be to be of a particular kind or at particular place are verbs to be. कि ये जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें किसी ना किसी चीज़ के बारे में कोई पर्टिकुलर थिंग बताते हैं या पर्टिकुलर चीज़ बताते हैं वो होते हैं verbs to be. Just like here we have been given the use of verb to be. अब क्या क्या use है? So the words is, are and am are used in the present tense. कि जितने भी words हैं जैसे कि is, are, am ये सब ही present tense के words हैं. They show what state of something or someone is the someone in the present is. कि ये हमें दिखाते हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ जो present है उससे क्या state है, right? So learn that is used with singular nouns and pronouns with but not with you and I. For example, he, she, it, Rajat, Rashmi, John, Tom, chair, pen, etc. कि is जो है वो यूज किया जाता है सिंगुलर नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस के साथ बट you और I के साथ नहीं, राइट? एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि ही, शी, इट, रजत, रश्मि, जॉन, टॉम, चेयर, पेन एटसेट्रा इन सभी वर्ड्स के साथ हम is यूज करते हैं बिकॉज is a word that is used always with the singular nouns and pronouns, right? After that, are is used with plural nouns and pronouns. For example, they, we, you, chairs and pens etc. कि आर जो है वो यूज किया जाता है कुछ प्लूरल नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस के साथ, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है दे, वी, यू, chairs and pens etc. Right? After that, remember that are is used with you both in singular and plural form. कि हमें याद रखना है कि आर जो है वो यू के साथ यूज किया जाता है, चाहे वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में हो चाहे वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो, यू के साथ हमेशा आर के यूज किया जाएगा, राइट? एम इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद आई. ये एम जो है वो हमेशा आई के साथ ही यूज किया जाता है, right? After that, we have read the uses of verbs to be is, am, are in the following sentences. तो हमें इन verbs of be यानी कि is, are, am का use सीखना है कि कैसे use किए जाते हैं. So, you are a boy. You are sisters. We are friends. I am a teacher. He is a doctor. This is a table, right? So, all these are the words where we have used is, am and are. Moving ahead, here we have use of was and were, right? तो was और were का क्या use है? Yes, so the words was and were are used in the past tense. कि ये जितने भी verbs हैं जैसे words हैं जैसे कि was और were, ये सभी past tense के लिए use किए जाते हैं. They show what a state of something or someone in the past was. कि ये हमें दिखाते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ की जो state है वो past tense में क्या थी, कैसी थी या फिर वो क्या कर रहे थे, right? Learn that. अब हमें ये याद रखना है कि was is used with singular but not with you. कि was जो है वो हमेशा singular numbers के साथ यूज किया जाता है सिवाय you के. You के साथ हमेशा plural form that is were ही आएगी, right? Were is used for plural number and singular you. कि were जो है वो हमेशा प्लूरल नंबर या फिर सिंगुलर यू के साथ यूज किया जाएगा, राइट? आफ्टर दैट रीड द यूजेस ऑफ was and were in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से इन सभी का यूज पढ़ लेते हैं sentences में. They are Priya was drinking milk. Vipin was playing football. Rahul was praying to God. Children were reading their books. Students were going to school. Children were eating their lunch, right? So I hope you are clear with the uses of was and were. After that, next we have use of will be and shall be. So the words will be and shall be are used in the future tense. ये जितने भी words हैं will be और shall be ये सभी future tense में use किए जाते हैं. They show what a state of something or someone in the future will be. कि ये हमें बताते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ की कोई state कैसी होगी आने वाले time में, that is in the future, right? So learn that shall be is used with I and we only. कि shall be जो है वो हमेशा I और we के साथ ही use किया जाएगा. Next is will be is used for all the other nouns and pronouns. कि will जो है वो हमेशा दूसरी pronouns के साथ या nouns के साथ use किया जाएगा. Read the uses of shall be and will be in the following sentences. अभी हमें यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं जिनमें shall और will का use किया गया है. So, children will be playing football. I shall be eating my lunch. We shall be learning our lessons, right? After that, let's move ahead with the next topic, which is positive and negative forms. अब positive और negative forms क्या हैं? When we affirm something, it is called positive form. कि जब भी हम किसी चीज के लिए हामी भर देते हैं, right? Whenever the thing is in its positive form, it is said to be positive form. When we negate something, it is called negative form. कि हम जब भी किसी चीज़ के लिए इनकार कर देते हैं, मना कर देते हैं, तो वो हो जाता है उसका negative form. In a negative sentence, the words such as no, not and never are used. कि negative sentence में words जैसे कि no, not और never ये सभी use किए जाते हैं. Next is look at the following sentences. अब हमें इन sentences की तरफ देखना है और पढ़ना है. So, positive form and the negative form. दोनों ही forms हमें यहाँ पर दी हुई हैं कुछ sentences की. जल्दी से इन्हें read करते हैं. This is bad. This is not bad. This was a chair. This was not a chair. I was a girl. I was not a girl. They were always in the zoo. They were never in the zoo. These will be bananas. These will not be bananas. She was a doctor. She was not a doctor. Right? So as you have seen कि हमने positive से negative में convert करने के लिए we have added not or no to each and every sentence. Right? After that, the next topic is interrogative form. अब interrogative form क्या है ये? When we affirm something, it is called positive form. कि हम जब भी किसी चीज के लिए हाँ बोल देते हैं तो वो होता है positive form. When we negate something, it is called negative form. और जब भी हम किसी चीज के लिए ना कर देते हैं तो वो हो जाता है उसका negative form, right? And when we ask questions, it is called the interrogative form. और जब भी हम questions पूछते हैं, right, वो आ जाता है interrogative form में. Yes, so look at the following sentences. Assertive form and interrogative form. अब यहाँ पे हमें assertive form दी हुई है और दूसरी है interrogative form, that is the question form. So, it is a pencil. Is it a pencil? They are in the class. Are they in the class? You are not a doctor. Are you not a doctor? He was an intelligent boy. Was he an intelligent boy? The flowers were not beautiful. Were the flowers not beautiful? You will meet me at the mall. Will you meet me at the mall? So, after that, we have some points to remember. Let's read them. A verb to be is are, am, was, were, will, be, shall be. All these are the verbs to be, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you learned something from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.